what's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is the 3 stages of growing a $10,000 a month eBay dropshipping business. So like, subscribe, we're going to go through the 3 specific stages that we have to cover, and we're going to go through to the end. I'm going to get into my computer for a second, just show you, because I'm on the second stage of one of them. So let's get into the video. So before we get into the video, if you guys have an eBay account or want to start an eBay dropshipping business, we have created a free way for you to do that. Go to sellthisnowdaily.com. I'll put a link in the description. We'll send you daily items for you to list and dropship in an eBay account, as well as daily tips and strategies. So go check that out. So let me get into the video. Those of you guys who haven't been following me for a long time, in 2025, the strategy that we're using is the bulk theory method. What the bulk theory method is that you get an account, you list the 10,000 listings, and then the summary of the strategy. When you break it down, you have to go through the growth stage, the maintenance stage, and then the duplicate stage. And that's how you get to $10,000 a month. So what do I mean? So you have an eBay account, you have 0 listings. As we suggest, you list 100 to 300 items a day for about 3 months. That will take you to about 10,000 listings. That's a growth stage. Once you get to 10,000 listings, that account should be making anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 net profit per that eBay account. So that's a growth stage. The maintenance stage is the second stage in this $10,000 a month in eBay dropshipping profit. So what does the maintenance stage entail? So I am at the point of maintaining one of the accounts, an account that I was building for you guys, and I'll put a link to a couple of the videos, but account I was building for you guys on this eBay channel. So I got to 10,000 listings. The account is making about $1,200, $1,300 a month, selling anywhere from like $6,000 to $9,000 a month. And now what do you do? So this is a maintenance stage. The maintenance stage is where you save those listings that are working, and then you prune the listings that are not working. So those listings, I took down 6,000 listings. So let me jump to the eBay account that I built for you guys. You guys have seen this account sell up to $9,000 a month. I've posted the screenshots, and I recently deleted. So let me go to the listing page. So on that $4,500, that's about $1,000 profit in the past 30 days on this account. Last month, we did about, let's say, 9,000 in sales. So you did a little over $2,000 a month profit. But let's go to the listing section. So as you can see, I have pruned over 5,000 listings. So I'm now down to 4,262 listings. And this is the maintenance stage. What the maintenance stage is about. So let me just see. While I'm recording, a couple items sold. So you guys can see it's not. So I have this $59 item. And sorry for skipping around, but it is interesting for you guys to see an item. Right. So this item was sold for $38. I mean, we buy it for $30 and sold for $67. So I made about 20 bucks on that sale today, on that one sale. But I digress. Let me get back into the maintenance stage. So what the maintenance stage is about is that you now get to that 10,000 listings and you maintain that account at 10,000 listings by deleting and relisting. Now, the good thing is once the account is seasoned, you can list. I have listed 3,000 items in a month. So it would take me about, I would say, I would list 4,000 items in the next 30 days. You're looking at about $300 to $500. So my goal with this video is to give you guys the exact roadmap you need to get to $10,000 a month. So again, growth, 0, you get to 10,000 listings. That will take you about 90 days. Once you get to that 10,000 listing mark on that one account, you could now start pruning and getting your account more efficient. And that's a maintenance stage. Once you maintain that account for 1 to 2 months, so at about a five-month mark, you should have that account maintaining anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 a month profit every month. And then the third step to this $10,000 a month mark is a duplicate stage. What do I mean? I did a video with Ben where he went from one account to a second account on one computer. And in the strategy that we're doing in 2025, it would take you 3 eBay accounts to get you to maintain $10,000 a month profit. So you go through a growth stage, you build to $10,000 a month, 10,000 listings a month. You prune and you maintain that account at about 10,000 listings. And that account will make you anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a month. And then you create a second account and do the same thing. That's a duplicate stage. And each person with their actual name can have multiple eBay accounts. eBay does not restrict you to the number of accounts you have. So basically, that's what, if you guys want actual step-by-step where I go into my computer, if you want me to hold your hand and show you how to find the items to sell, show you how to set up the accounts, we have a series starting this week, going from day 1 to day 30 again. Like, subscribe, let me know if I could give you any more information. Let me know what other questions you have about eBay dropshipping. You have the roadmap, the 3-step roadmap to $10,000 a month. The growth stage where you list 10,000 listings in that eBay account. The maintenance stage that takes about 60 days where you maintain that account at that 10,000 listings and ensure that you're making, I would say, a very, very minimum $1,000 a month to maximum $5,000 a month. And then you duplicate that. Each account is going to, the results is going to vary a bit. But once you follow this roadmap, you would be profitable. Like, subscribe. Again, join the community. There are links in the description to help you out. My only goal here is to help you make money online drop shipping on eBay.